Hi, this is Micah with WTI, and today I want to show you my Runner's World Vegetarian Cookbook. I got this not because I'm a vegetarian, but because I realized I was just too reliant on meat for protein. It was like if I couldn't have meat, I didn't know how to cook. So this was a good introduction for me into vegetarian cooking, and Runner's World is such a reputable magazine. I knew it was going to be coming from a good source, especially something geared towards fitness. So I really like this book. The recipes are great. There's a lot of variety in it. Something else I really appreciate in this book is that it has little keys at the top of every recipe. So you see there, at a glance, the book will tell you if a recipe is gluten-free, nut-free, if there are any allergens in it, if it's low calorie. So if you have any kind of dietary restrictions or diet goals that you're going for, just at a glance you can see if a recipe is for you or not. And this is my favorite recipe from the book, is the spicy Thai noodles. It's delicious and it's very fast to make, and I use gluten-free, high-protein noodles for it. And so I learned a lot of good recipes from this book, and I recommend it, and that's my point of view.